Good evening, everyone. It is 11:45. It's June the 16th, 2019. I'm just writing down the time, guys. This will be your last earthquake report till tomorrow morning. So here we go. There was a 4.0 Chiapas, Mexico at 111.8 miles in depth. A 4.6 Santa Cruz Islands at 6.2 miles in depth. A 4.8 upgraded to a 4.9 Salta, Argentina, and that came in at 118.0 miles in depth. A 3.1 Hawaii, 9 miles southeast of Volcano, that came in at 6 miles in depth. There was a 4.9 Kermadec Island, New Zealand at 21.7 miles in depth. A 4.9 Kermadec Island, New Zealand at 21.7 miles in depth. They had two of them 3 minutes apart. There was a 4.9 near the east coast of Honshu, Japan at 22 miles in depth. 2.1 downgraded to a 2.0 Greater Los Angeles area, 3 miles northwest of Glen Avon at 2.4 miles in depth. Then there was a 3.0 Greater Los Angeles area, 2 miles north of Glen Avon at 2.4 miles in depth. Then there was a 2.6 Greater Los Angeles area, 3 miles northwest of Glen Avon at 2.4 miles in depth. Now those happen one right after each other. All right. A 4.9 Kermadec Island, New Zealand at 21.7 miles in depth. There was a 3.0 Puebla, that's Puebla, Mexico, and that came in at 2.4 miles in depth. A 3.2 off the coast of Costa Rica at 10.5 miles in depth. A 4.3 Fiji Island region at 389.0 miles in depth. There was a 2.5 Northern California, 2 miles southwest of Anderson Springs at 1 mile in depth. A 2.2 Northern California, 2 miles southwest of Anderson Springs, and that one they brought in at 0 miles in depth. This last one got to me, guys. I'm sorry. EMSC put up a 5.2 Kermadec Island, New Zealand at 21.7 miles in depth. Over an hour and a half went by before USGS said it was a 4.9 Kermadec Islands, New Zealand at 21.0 miles in depth, and EMSC downgraded it immediately. All links are in the description box. So I guess it's a 4.9 Kermadec Island, New Zealand at 21.7 miles in depth. Guys, that is your evening earthquake report. I hope you had a beautiful Father's Day, guys. All the fathers out there, that is. God bless each and every one of you. Please be safe out there. You guys are totally awesome. Sweet dreams, and I'll talk at you in the morning.